Welcome to my channel. Today we are asked to solve this. Recall the law of indices that says a raised to power n multiplies a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power n plus n. And if we apply this here, we now have 8 raised to power b plus b, which is equals to 200. Therefore, 8 raised to power 2b is equals to 200. Note, the most important aspect of this video is not to find the value of no. Instead, for us to prove that the answer that we got is correct. Therefore, I indulge you to sit tight, watch the video to the end, and be able to appreciate it. Thank you. Now, if you notice, this out 8 is raised to the power of, and b is a variable. And once any number has a variable as an alphabet, that's find the log of both sides. And for us to do that, we now have log 8 raised to the power 2b, which is equals to log 200. Remember the law of log that says log a raised b is the same thing, is equals to a multiplies log b. If we apply this here, we now have 2b log multiplies log 8 is equals to log 200. The next thing is to divide both sides by log 8. Divide both sides by log 8. And when we divide, we now have 2b log 8 divided by log 8 is equals to log 200 over log 8. Now, we cancel out log 8. When log 8 cancels, we have 1. 2b multiplies in 1. We have 2b, which is equals to log 200 over log 8. Let me bring it and bring it up. Therefore, our 2b is equals to log 200 divided by log 8. Now, remember that we can express 200 as, okay, let's write it here. Remember that we can express 200 as 25 multiplies 8, right? Now, therefore, if we apply this here, we now have 2b equals to log 25 multiply 8, all divided by log 8. Remember, when you have log a, e is the same thing as log a plus log b. If we apply this here, we now have 2b equals to log 25 plus log 8, all divided by log 8. Also, remember when a is equals to a plus b divided by c, it is the same thing as a divided by c plus b divided by c. If we apply this here, we now have 2b equals to log 25 over log 8 plus log 8 divided by log 8. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please click the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we have drop our amazing videos, we'll be able to be notified. Because as time goes on, we'll be dropping amazing videos often and often and more. And if you like what you are doing, kindly click the like button. Thank you. Now, if this log 8 we divide it and we now have 1, therefore 2b is equals to log 25 divided by log 8 plus 1. Remember, 25 is the same thing as 5 squared, and 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3. If we apply this here, we now have 2b equals to log 5 raised to the power 2 divided by log 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1. First law of logarithm that says log a raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 2 log a. Therefore, if we apply this here, we now have log 5, 2 multiplied log 5, all divided by 3 multiplied log 2 plus 1. So, now, we now have 2b equals to 2 over 3 log 5 over log 2 plus 1. Also, I want you to remember log a over log b is the same thing as log a base b. If we apply this here, we now have 2b equals to 2 over 3 log 2 log 5 base 2 plus 1. Look at this. We are asked to find the value of b, not the value of 2b. We multiply both sides with half. And when we do that, we can have 1 over 2 multiplies 2b, which is equals to 1 over 2 multiplies 2 over 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1 multiplies 1 over 2. If this cancels this, we now have b equals to, when 2 multiplies 2, we now have 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1 multiplies 1 over 2. We now have 1 over 2. And this is our answer. So, we've gotten the value of our b. Now, let us prove that our answer is correct. We go back to our question, which says 8 raised to the power b multiplies 8 raised to the power b is equals to 200. And from our law of indices, we will be able to derive that 8 raised to the power 2b is equals to 200. And we've gotten the value of b. Therefore, we now here. And when we do that, we now have 8 2 raised to our b is 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 2 will give us 200. If we continue to solve, first we find the LCM. And an LCM here is 6. 3 divides 6, we have 2. 2 multiplies 1, we have 2. 2 log 5 base 2 plus 2 divided 6 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Equals to 200. We now have 8 raised to the power 2 log 5 base 2 plus 3 divided by 6 equals to 200. Remember, we are trying to prove whether the answer we got is correct. Also, know that 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. Therefore, now have 2 raised to power 3 again 2 or 2 log 5 is 2 plus 3 divided by 6. We leave it equals to 200. And the law of indices that says A refers to M bracket N. Once you have this, you multiply it. The same thing as A, M multiplies N. Therefore, you now have 3 multiplies 3, 6, all bracket 2 log 5 is 2 plus 3 divided by 6, which is supposed to give us 200. Since you cancel this and this is equal, let's bring this up. When we bring it up, we now have 2 bracket 2 log 5 base 2 plus 3 will give us 200. If we rearrange this is something like 2 raised to the power 3 log 5 squared with 2. If we get something like log 5 raised to the power 2 with 2. Therefore, if we arrange it, we now have 2 raised to the power 3 log 5 raised to the power with 2. This is supposed to give us 200. Recall that A M plus N is the same thing as A M multiply A N. 3 log. If you apply this to this, now have 2 raised to the power 3 multiplies 2 raised to the power log 5 squared base 2. Now will give us 200. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Multiplies. Remember the law of indices that say A multiply log B plus A is equals B, because both the integers and the bases, they are the same. Therefore, we now have B. If we apply this here, therefore, 2 multiply log 2 raised to the power log 5 base 2 will now give us. If we apply this here, 2 raised to the power log 5 squared base B. If we apply this here, therefore, 2 raised to the power log 5 squared base 2 is now equals to 5 squared. Therefore, 8 will now multiply 5 squared is 5. And 5 multiplies 25. It gives us 200. And this is our answer. This means that what we got as our B is equals to 200. And that is our answer. Thank you.